This large lavender-colored orchid displays its magnificence, and not just its presence, but also its alluring fragrance. Have you been in search of fragrances that can provide soothing benefits and not cause any allergens? Then our range of orchid fragrances could help. Diffused with the aroma of therapeutic orchids, these flowers not only enhance your level of comfort, but contain herbal and medicinal benefits as well, which is evidenced in their use in many traditional medicines. Exhibiting antimicrobial activities, this therapeutic orchid fights against harmful skin infections or inflammation. Also consumable, this orchid tastes relatively sweet and is used to treat asthma, bronchitis, and throat infections. Native to Asian countries such as India, China, and Thailand, this therapeutic orchid carries medicinal effects that are a remedy for hemorrhage and fainting spells. When applied topically as an ointment, it helps treat cuts and abrasions. To add a layer of elegance to the fragrance composition of Woody 12, other scent notes included are balampra, tree notes, sandalwood, and balsamic. Woody, earthy, and mossy with hints of grass, balampra tree notes carry characteristic traits of Mother Nature. This scent note sits as a base note and provides depth and a creamy finish to fragrances. The beauty of balsamic scent stems from its aroma of majestic, rich, resin-like warmth with detectable hints of spice. Its fragrance effectively provides a sense of calm, inducing positive feelings with its enveloping presence. Inclusion of this scent creates a higher degree of woodiness in its scent, increasing the aroma's sensuality as well. Carrying the lovely scent of soft and warm woody hues, this fragrance composition portrays the nobility and awe-inspiring nature of wonders. This is a blend of sophistication and refined complexity, made to bring out the elegance and sensuality innate in each and every woman.